Good morning, guys. Well, good morning here in Texas. I don't know if it's good morning and evening there where you are. It's January 28th. Here in Texas, grabe. Ay, buti na lang. Gumaling na yung lips ko. Sobrang dry nung nakaraan. Last week, sobrang dry. Nagbakbakan yung lips ko. Alam niyo ba guys, may revelation ako. Di ba napapakita na naman, may nanapunta din hinabog. Anyway, itong bag na to, from the Philippines pa to guys. Alam niyo itong local brand sa Pinas na CLN na brand. Sobrang gusto ko tong bag na to. Kaya pinakita ko siya sa inyo because meron lang akong na-recall about 2 days ago. Nagpunta kaming Walmart. So si mom, like gusto niya mag-shopping. So sinamahan ko yung mother-in-law ko to shop. So nagpunta kaming Walmart together. And then actually, pinag-drive kami ng asawa ko, but I was there for mom. I didn't vlog kasi gusto ko i-enjoy niya yung pag-shopping niya kasi she's not shopping. She didn't shop for a long time. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, pwede ka naman mag-shop. And then, what's nice about Walmart kasi guys is meron silang cart or how you call it one, yung scooter ba na for elderly people na hindi na makalakad ng maayos, you can use those. So anyway, kaya ko siya nasingit because nung nag-shopping kami sa Walmart, I was using this bag. Like, I was using this bag and I'm wearing the sweater ng asawa ko and may nakapansin, like, American. Sabi niya, sobrang ganda ng bag mo. Like, wow, where did you buy it? Sobrang curious siya sa, actually, hindi siya bag tawag dito. It's purse. Sobrang ganda ng purse mo. Where did you get that? Yun yung sinabi niya sa akin. And I told her, like, oh, this is from the Philippines. I have no idea if you can buy this in US, but yeah, this is really a local brand in the Philippines. And she was like, oh, it's so nice, very rare daw, or very unique daw yung pagkagawa like this. Usap kami ng, you know, like short time. And sabi niya, la, I like that bag so much. Yung sinabi niya, diba? Like, sobrang ganda naman talaga. I'm not really sure if this is available pa sa CLN, okay? So, I think we are producing another or different new bags na naman. But yeah, I got this one from CLN. I really love using this one kasi sobrang convenient niya. Makakapaglagay ako ng maraming things kasi hindi naman siya sobrang laki guys, but still parang sobrang enough niya. Like if I go to church, if I go to shop, yung ganito, I can still like put power bank, phone, mirror, essentials, like yung mga like just comb, yung mga ganon, and big wallet. Yan, na ano niya. So I like this one. Ganda, diba? Sobrang ganda niya. I like kasi may ganito, may pa ganito. So hindi siya like real leather ha. Like sobrang mahal yung binigay ni Mama Ami sa akin na bag. It's speed. I cannot. But this one actually, it's like, ano ba tawag ito? Premium na leather. Like, if you're in the Philippines, no, kung available pa siya sa CLN, guys, bili kayo ng ganito. Sobrang ganda niya. Meron kaming delivery today. Guys, you remember yung sinabi ko sa inyo yung mirror namin, supposedly last week pa yon. Hindi nila hinatid last week. But, pinuntahan talaga namin yung furniture nung Sunday. And, they scheduled the delivery today. I'm using this double serum all-in-one multi-balm from the Alba sa Pinas pa to guys. Dinala ko dito. And I love it kasi pang-pa-shine lang siya ng lips at saka balm lang siya. And then pwede siya gamitin sa mga eye bags, sa mga wrinkles and everything. Okay, let's start our day. I have to clean up. Diba? Yung bowl natin. Nililinisan ko na yan. Nililinisan ulit guys. Walang hanggang linis to guys. So yung mirror natin, ilalagay yun dito. Like I explained it before. Yan, so nilinisan ko na to guys. Para yung mag-install mamaya, mabilis lang nila gawin. And then, nakapaglagay na rin ako ng ating curtain rod. So kukunin ko lang yung curtain na naiwan namin sa duplex. Yung dalawang white na curtain. Kasi yan yung ilalagay ko dito guys. And then ito, I just realized no, yung pagkakamali ko, merong nagsabi sa akin na wag yung picture na yan. I think she is really right na wag yung picture namin na wedding here. So I will be looking for different, siguro ibang picture to add here. Like isahang picture frame na lang. Marami sa thrift store na mga picture frame na siguro makakabili ako doon. Mas mura, as in, mas mura guys. Makakabili ka ng magandang picture frame. Although, it look used, but pag malayo, hindi mo naman makikita. But then, yeah, you can just get it for like $10, $15, which is very cheap. So, i-remove ko yan, palitin ko yan something, and then hahanapan ko na lang to ng paraan kung saan ko to ilalagay. Ayaw ng asawa ko ilagay sa labas because sabi niya sobrang laki daw ng picture. So, ayaw niya ilagay sa labas. So, I'll just find a way, maybe sa side na to, ay hindi ko alam. Basta hahanapan ko yan ng paraan kung saan ko yan ilalagay. And I don't want din na itapon yan guys, kasi sayang, my gosh, magkano yung, binayad ko for that. Tinanggal ko yung ito papalitan. Tinanggal ko yung guys, yung pot niya kasi pinalit ko doon sa plant na meron ako sa living area. Nagpunta pala, like I said, nagpunta kami furniture off. We've been looking for yung center table guys kasi alam niyo naman yung aming living area, hindi talaga siya kompleto ba? Wait lang. Pakita ko sa inyo. Tuesday pala yung mga kids na sa school. Very gloomy outside kasi umuulan na. Yung asawa ko nagbabasa lang naman, I'm sure. Binuo ko siya kahapon. Bookshelves. Meron na kaming 5 bookshelves here. Kasi ilalagay niya lahat ng kanyang libro. And honestly, sobrang dami na kanyang books. Hindi ako masyadong nag-vlog doon sa whole week kasi sinasabi ko sa daming gamit. Look, tingnan nyo naman yan guys. Oh. Puro boxes yan. So, dito lang ako lagi nagbablog kasi mas clean here. Mas malinis dito. Doon kayo sa hallway na puno ng mga kung ano-ano. Babe, do you want to eat? What time are you going to train?
Maybe.
Precise.
Wow, he comes over at 9:30, or no, I'm sorry, he comes at 11:30.
So you want to eat? You can eat. I'll make you something.
Yeah.
Iwan ko yung coffee ko. Hinatid namin yung kids kanina sa school. Si Ashley guys, always namin hinatid kasi hindi namin ma-change yung school bus niya kasi she's staying on the same school. So yung system nila dito iba kasi you cannot be able to change the school bus. So like we have to send her all the time until the end of this school year. And then si Nicole, yeah, she changed her school bus now. Which is convenient for us kasi hindi na namin siya kailangan ihatid pa sa school. Sobrang mahal ng gas kung ihatid namin lagi. Monday to Friday. But yeah. Anyway, meron akong bacon here. I have a bacon here. So magluluto lang ako ng itlog. Kasi yan lang naman yung kinakain ng asawa ko. I had a video. Nung nagpunta kaming Sam's, I think I did a grocery haul that time. Bumili na siya ng bulky na meat for himself. So, like, it was beef. Kasi itong asawa ko, lagi yung nagre-research guys kung ano yung pinaka-healthy daw na food. So, we prepare yung mga beef thing. Ako, like, I'm starting to like adapt it, but there's still a moment na gusto ko pa rin yung guys, yung rice natin. Wala may looking butter. Thank God kasi puno yung ating refrigerator naman. Thank you Lord. Grateful naman ako sa asawa ko guys kasi since we got here, never pa kaming like naubusan ng food. Like never pa talaga. So we're just too blessed. Blessed enough. It's 11:30. People, I feel so really good today because nakapaglinis ako ng bahay guys. Although like I said, yung area dyan, like that area, I couldn't do anything about it until my husband will like sort out his boxes.
wala talaga akong magagawa sa hallway kasi ginawa na niya yung mga lagayan ng boxes niya. But then, on this certain area, like living area, dining, yung sa ating kitchen, ay guys, I'm so very happy kasi nakapaglinis ako this morning. It feels so good pag nakapaglinis ka talaga. If you clean your place, it really, really feels so good. It's a therapy for me. So right now, I am doing my, magpo-fold ako ng clothes. I'm gonna fold these clothes. Kahapon ko pa to na wash, but I have no time yesterday. Kasi hindi ko alam na bang ginawa ko yesterday. I have to show you here. Dineliver na yung aming hair, guys. From Furniture Row. Thank God, nagkamali pa sila ng install. Kasi horizontal, vertical, pinahaba, ano bang tawag niyan. But now, ta-da! I've got my mirror finally. Ito yung inintay ko. 1 month din. Bago dumating yung replacement. But yeah, all good. I got the mirror in there. Malaki yan na mirror, guys. Maliit lang tingnan sa camera. But yeah, it's a big mirror. Like, finally, I could like put things here. Now that it's here. Kaya hindi ko nilagyan masyado ng mga gamit on top because I was just waiting for the mirror to be delivered, to be installed. But now that it's here, I've got this mirror na kung ano, guys. May outlet ba? Yeah, it has outlet at the back. Meron akong bulb. I think I've showed this before to you. I have no idea. Hindi ko na ma-remember kung napakita ko sa inyo, guys. Where is it? Saan ko ba yun nilagay? I don't know if I've napakita ko ba to sa inyo, guys. But yeah, I got this one from Shein. Mura lang to, guys. I think I got this one for $12. I am hoping that this will really... Ano dyan siya ba? Marami na siya. Oh, like, it's a small bulb. Like, it's a small bulb, but then I've seen a lot of reviews about this one, that how nice this is. So there are 3 different settings when it comes to the light. There's a warm, natural, and white. So, oh my gosh. I wanted to install this now kasi yung asawa ko nag-training na with his student. They are in the garage. Yeah, this is USB support. So, meron kaming outlet sa likod ng mirror na to, which I could be able to put, well, I could actually use like, baga gamitin natin. But, yeah, let me do this. Maliliit siya tingnan, no? But actually, yung sa review niya, it really like works. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. There you go. I already installed nilagay ko na yung bulb natin. Di ba maganda yung bulb kahit hindi siya ganun kalaki? But I just wanted to have something like light here ba inside. Light here inside. Light in our mirror kasi like ganito yung mga nakikita ko sa Pinterest bitaw na yung ano ba. Do any makeup on. So, eto lang. Gusto ko lang like parang ano lang ba Pinterest kind of mirror. So, maganda siya, guys. Hindi siya ganun ka very, very light. Pero natin change yung ano, guys. Yung light niya, I can change this with warm. Yan. Just so happy with this. Nandito na yung mirror natin. For free?
Yeah.
It's your own fruits.
Yeah,
you
but I roomed with. She told me she had a big one, and she said you just go out there and get all the oranges you want. And then I keep trying to get them cleaned up.
Yeah. Guys, I'll show you guys ha. Pakita ko sa inyo itong. Because baka like I was like mentioning about this one before na Diba, like before, I think that was Christmas when I said like I got like free stuffs from Shein. That's because I was playing, which is really true. I think this is working in the Philippines because my sister was playing with this thing too. And she already claimed twice. I think twice. Did she say twice? But this is my third time playing this one. So, like, ito yun guys. Just so you know that I am not saying, I'm not giving you wrong information. But, yeah, I'm playing this Puppy Keep. So, this one is some kind of games in Shein. And then, all you have to do is just play. You can search it in the search bar in Shein, like Puppy Keep. And you're just gonna play. And then they're giving you free item, or if you wanted it, like what I always use, what I always do is like get the $30 free credit. So I've been playing this, like, again, this is my third time na naglalaro ako ng ganito, and I already get free items from them. So I'm just so glad na, you know, I can get something free just playing. Why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me? You ready to eat? You want 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 to eat? Let's go. Let's go. Which has the snacks? Stay. Stay. Wait, wait, wait. Which one? Smell. Smell first. This? Ah, good job! You're going to Duplex, huh? I'm going to get something there.
Okay. What are you getting?
The curtain. I'm going to get the white curtain, and I'm gonna replace it back with the brown one that you have. Oh, hi. So we're going to pick up Yashli, but first we're going back to Duplex, guys. I'll be showing you kung anong nangyari sa Duplex namin. It's been like more than a month na, kasi yung last time na nagpunta kami doon, well, picking up all things and bring it here. Yung asawa ko pabalik-balik doon, yung asawa ko guys, but I don't go with him. But yeah, this time I'll be seeing the Duplex again, but again, wala nang gamit doon kasi all the things that we have, well, like 99% of the things nandito na. So yung mga naiwan doon is mga tools na lang, because yun nga, diba, we are going to renovate before somebody rent that place, which is kailangan na namin siyang gawin, suppose, kasi nakatenga na siya for a month na walang income, or walang, it doesn't, you know, like walang nakatira doon sa side na yon, and kailangan namin yun talaga i-renovate para mag-produce ng income. But yeah, today I will be going there kasi kukunin ko yung curtain, yung puti na curtain ba sa room namin, bedroom namin, and that's the same curtain na ginagamit ko dito sa living area. Yun, so again, I got that one from Shein, and gusto ko siyang kunin kasi ayoko nang bumili. At the same time, meron akong curtain dito, yung first na curtain ni Belle, yung brown na yan yung curtain yan nung una, guys. I don't like it kasi brown, like who would want a brown curtain in your house, diba? Really wanted my place to be clean and airy. So if you guys notice, like most yung gamit ko sa bahay, it's very light color lang, and that's because I love it that way. So yung sa cortina natin, meron pa pala tayong kulang kasi yung sa dinner sa dining area, which is meron kaming dalawang window na kailangan ko din lagyan ng curtain. Diba? Hindi ko pinulki kasi bibilhan ko yan ng curtain rod, same pa rin ang curtain rod na ginamit ko sa bedroom namin, at the same time yung sa living, para magiging match. And then bibili ako ng isang set na curtain, yung white pa rin. But I know, like, people will like tell me like, bakit kasi puti yung gagamit? I love white. Talaga. I don't know why. You know why. I love white. So, I'm just waiting for my husband. Hindi pa ako sabi na let's go. He was hooked up with this series in Netflix. Kasi tapos na ako sa ibang pinapanood ko, guys. And now we're watching this, The Lincoln Lawyer, sa Netflix. It's nice. I watch it first, and then nakita ng asawa ko sabi niya, like, one of his watch list. So, nanonood. Ayun, na-hook up. And then, nasa episode 2 na siya. Nasa episode 2 na kami. Siya yung mas, like, tutok na tutok. Ako kasi may ginagawa ako, guys. Pero nakikinig ako sa series. He's out now. They're working. Oh, there's a kid playing. What's that? Scooter? Ah, kakiyot sa bata. Uy. Tara, oh, ka-cute. Aww. Ka-cute, nag-scooter ang bata. Oh, ang ganda ng subdivision. This is really a nice subdivision.
Yeah.
Because of, like, merong daanan tubok pa.
You don't think I would move you
Over something.
you don't think I want all of us to live somewhere that was
Nice. Ashley's here. Pinick up pala namin siya una, guys, before kami puntang duplex. Kung ano karon pa man ni magiinam? Wala na horot. Okay. May ulan man hinuon. Nag-ulan jud siya, patay si ate unya kay gaulan. Ay. Wala bang siya gadalag payong. Niya gusto siya mag-hike. Maybe it's just raining here, not in the subdivision. I need a curtain. There's a curtain there because I have to replace these two. Another one. You stay here? Okay. Nangamatay ang dahon, guys. So, patay na yung mga... Namatay ang dahon. Why dahon? The leaves are gone. Welcome back to our old house. Our old house na empty na. Oh, I need that chair. Oh, I thought you don't wanna come. You miss this house? Ah, you miss this house already? Okay. I think Daddy will get it, or I need the ano. You can still remember? Well, I think I have to get that 4. You need... Iniwan namin to, guys, kasi hindi namin to makiri. Ang bigat nito. Oh. Why? Are you using this? Did you use that one? Yung sinabi ko sa inyo, guys, oh, na puti. May kasama pang gray. Kunin ko na lang pang gray din. I'll get the other one. Can you reach it? Or I'll get it. I'll get it.
Well, what do you think? You can get it, go ahead.
What do you think? I know, I'm short. I don't deny
I mean, I reached this side. When did you think I couldn't reach this?
I know I'm short. But I can't do anything about it because I'm born this way. Okay.
Jeez, you like what?
What? Yeah, it's cold here. Cold here.
My heater.
Oh, what? Oops. That's the one I'm talking about. Did you miss your room? Back here? Daddy cleaned this up, by the way.
Kita
Oh.
different kayo.
Different kayo when it's empty? You were like, do you want to come back here? You want to come back here?
Di mo sugot.
Of course not. Wala na. Hey, we need to finish that. Renovate this one para nanay mag-rent. Wow, it's really cold here. Cold here because hindi po naka-on yung heater dito, guys. Hindi naka-on yung heater here kasi binuksan ni Belle. Para yung aming electric bill on this side is hindi mahal. Hala, di ba lang ako ang cover sa camera? Wala. She was like, she missed her bedroom before. Eh. Except for like Daddy cleaned the bedroom. What is that, Mom?
Manay tawag.
Maybe ate, that's ate. Tell me. Come on. I think this is Nicole. Hello? Hello? Oh, yes. I'll put this in the car. Diba na-miss? Did you miss the old house?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you miss about here? What do you miss here in the old house? Yes. Wala lang. Gamay naghinloon. Little place to clean up. The new house is a big place to clean. Ay, nangamatay. Ay, ang mga dahon na kayo nanga brown. Check natin yung likod, ha. Wait, nataliksik na good. Check natin yung likod here. Alo. Nanubo na ang mga ano. Your love is gone. That's enough na. Kaya may ulan na. Tala na. We are back home. Ay. Kailangan ko i-clean yan, guys. Oh, kasi dirty yung ano, may mga spots dyan na kailangan natin ilinis. Anyway, I'm ready to put the curtain here. Hindi ko na yun linisan. Ay, hindi na linisan. Hindi na natin i-wash. Charot. I-wash ko pa ba yun? Malinis naman yun, guys. Malinis siya. Wait, stop. It looks nice, diba? Pag may kurtina talaga, nakaka-add talaga siya ng, ng ganda sa room. I like it. Parang, ako yung naglagay nitong curtain rod, guys. Parang nasobraan ko ata ng height. Kasi tingnan nyo. But it's okay. It's alright. Okay lang yan. At least, hindi naman siya sobrang baba din. But, yeah, it looks like that. It's so nice. Yan yung gusto ko talaga. We will just wait. Pick up naman si Nicole today by mga 5:30 sa school. Watching the Chim Mouse. Do you want to eat? Do you want to eat ba? Do you want to eat? Huh? Tingnan yung pinapanood nitong batang to. Gustong gusto ko yung movie na yan, guys. Talaga. Itong asawa ko nanonood naman ng balita. And itong dog namin, relaxing lang. Tingnan nyo yan, tatakbo yan dito, guys, ha? Wait lang, ha? Ititis ko yan sa laruan niya, oh. Ayan. Tingnan niya. Tingnan niya. Lalaroin niya yan. Gigali. Kit. Kit na dyan. Akin yan. That's mine. I make this is mom's food. I'm just like making her food para makakain siya na mauna siyang kumain guys kasi she has maintenance to take. Meron siyang mga anong tawag nito, gamot na iniinom guys, so she needs to eat 5 p.m. so it's already 5:20 and we have to pick up Nicole as well sa school, so makakainin muna natin si ma'am. Kuyog ka na mo daddy dili? Nope, you're not coming with us? Hi, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out. I don't think this mirror is going to go up there. I was going to put it right here, but I don't think.
Here? We can do that.
Hi.
Hi. How was the tutorial?
Tutorial, kita lang man nadula me.
You're just playing. Close the
free
door.
Snacks.
Huh?
Free snacks.
Free snacks.
I'm gonna love Tuesdays.
She's gonna love Tuesday because they have free snacks.
Free snacks, free candies, free popcorn, free drinks.
My God.
Aren't you happy that your dad signed you up?
She is.
Yeah. Your mom's going, I don't know.
So, she's not really going there because she wanted to learn.
She's going for the snacks.
She's going for the snacks. Oh my gosh.
So essentially, they're bribing them to learn.
They're bribing to learn. So did you learn something? Nothing.
I didn't learn anything, but I got free snacks.
But I got free popcorn, which is okay. Sobrang cloudy. Oh, cloudy. Nag-ulan na gani. Dark, very dark. Managkaligo kay. Siyempre, she's not gonna wait for you kay. You will be home late man.
Sure ka naligo to?
Naligo na. Ay, before ko nag-leave, naligo na. Mag-pizza na lang mo karon ha. You're gonna eat pizza for dinner, okay? Okay, I'm not gonna cook anymore.
Ako juice ay.
Uy! My gosh, I thought you said you're gonna like avoid eating. You're gonna reduce eating. Healthy? Okay. Stopping by here at the post office. Tingnan lang namin kung meron siyang ano dyan. Baka meron. Hindi ko alam. Wala akong package eh. I have item today pero hindi yun para sa akin. Nag-order to guys sa Shein. Marunong na mag-order guys. Don't be a shopaholic. Shopping. I don't know what that is.
You're back home.
Have you called Ellen today?
I called and left a message, and she's not returned my call.
She's not answering the phone call. She's not answering. She did not answer you.
No, and I left her a message, and so I don't know what to think. I haven't heard from her much this week.
Oh, yeah.
For visa applicants and for illegal immigrants in this country who are coming, of course, from other
Yeah.
nations, and also direct
Nicole, Ashley.
state
So, may binili kami pizza, guys, sa Sam's to. So, this will be the kids' dinner for tonight. Hindi na ako magluluto. Pizza for dinner. Oh, nice. Dako kayo? Dakuan na kayo ka? It's okay. You can fold that. May binili siya. Ito yung binili niya sa Shein, guys. Oh, nag-order na yung anak ko. This is, in advance ko na, 14 years old. So, ito yung nakita niya sa Shein. Magkano yan, Nicole? How much? $17. And then, the sweater, $11. Oh, maganda. Kasi binigyan sila ni ma'am ng pera nung, Pasko. Oh, binili na niya ng damit. At least Ashley, pero mas nauna dumating yung kay Nicole. Sige na, ibutang na sa kon kay. I-wash na ko na.